What's going on, everybody? I'm Brandon from Walker's Woodworks. Welcome back to the channel. I have an awesome giveaway coming out for you guys this month, February 2020. Teamed up with Pony Jorgensen. They are supplying the prize for this month. Congrats to the winner of last month, as well as watch for future giveaways. I'm going to be doing one a month this whole year. So as far as the prize you can win, you get 2 of the Easy Hold Jorgensen clamps, the 12-inch as well as the 24-inch version. So 2 of each of those. They have 300 pounds of clamping pressure. Super easy one-handed use. Squeeze down there. The release is right here. I use these all the time. They're awesome. The top can flip around and become a spreader as well. And then you will get 2 of the F-style clamps. These are the heavy-duty ones. They have 600 pounds of clamping pressure. Been using these as well, putting them through the ringer and haven't had any issues. And then last but not least, you will get 2 36-inch parallel clamps from them, the Cabinet Masters. These things have 1,000 pounds of clamping pressure. And one thing I always look for in parallel clamps is how easy they slide, and these ones are awesome. And they bite down really well and tighten up nicely. So that will be the prize for this month. I really appreciate you guys for supporting me and my channel, as well as the sponsors. Check in the video description below to enter. Like I said, you can enter for the whole month of February, so any time is good. Good luck, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.